Hello, everybody. This is GM, and finally, we are on time para panoorin ang panibagong episode o panibagong video ng G22, which is the Papa pa Palaban or Papapalaban. Yon. Papapalaban performance music video. Medyo maingay lang kasi yung countdown. But we're super excited about this performance music video ng G22 na Papa Palaban. Papa Palaban. Ayan. So, we're just 40 seconds away to our real reaction doon sa kanta na ng G22 na Papa Palaban. Ayan. Actually, today, they are now in Glorieta 4 and in 1 hour, magsisimula na yung kanilang meet and greet. Greenbelt 4 pala, sorry. Greenbelt 4 for the H&M season launch. Yeah. So, let's go! Grabe! Grabe ang performance MT. Hindi. Sandali, G22 ano to? Grabe kayo! Hmm. Woo! Oh, man! Eh? Hmm. Matindi talaga tong G22 na to. Hmm. Iba-iba talaga. Iba talaga ang G22. Kahit anong outfit talagang walang walang pupa sa kanilang kagandaan. Yes? Hey!
Wow! Wow! Ibang klase kayo, G22.
Wala akong masay. Ah! Ako'y speechless sa inyong music video. In fairness to that, fiery and hot. Yan lang ang masasabi ko. This is JM saying you're part of the conversation and see you again on our next JM Reacts.